So I found myself trying to figure out how to increase variability in the documents that I'm creating. And one of the big ways to do that is kind of inserting different random images in all of your documents. And so I think I've created a really cool way to do this. So you're going to use Scrapebox and this little Python program that I created. So here's Scrapebox. I have Scrapebox open in that screen right now. And under the add-ons, there's these image grabber ones right here. So I like the Bing because it allows you to grab 1,000 at a time, versus Google only lets you grab 100. So I'll go over to Bing and pop that up. Takes a couple seconds. And I'll type in a keyword. So let's say happy couple. So I'll put happy couple as my keyword. You can limit it to the different size that you want, whether you want it square, tall, wide, anything like that. You can limit just the dimensions that you're looking for as well. You can attempt to find like Creative Commons ones. I haven't tried that before, so let's give that a whirl. And then you only need one connection. You don't need a bunch because it goes really quick. And then I put this to 1,000. So I'm not going to resize it, but I am going to set it to reformat them to JPEGs. So if you leave it as is, you could get a bunch of different things, but I like to go ahead and reformat it as a JPEG if I'm saving them. I'm not going to save them in this instance, but if I do, that's what I'm going to do. So go ahead and hit locate, and it takes a couple of seconds. You can see it is finding all the pictures here, and you can see it count down. It goes really quickly. So you get about 900, 800 to 900, and we have 985. So you come over here and you go to Save URLs. And save it, give it a file name, Happy Couples 2, something like that. And let's take a look at it real quick. You can see it has all those URLs that we had before. So we're going to go ahead and put that into an image tag and spin it in our documents. So let's pop over to my Python program. Okay, so here it is. So you got a couple things up here that you can put in. The first thing is this happy couples text. That's the file name. So you're just going to put it in quotes, right? And that's I'm doing the first one I created. The next thing is you're going to say true or false whether you want a chance for the image to be blank. So I like to have some variability in there. So I'll put a bunch of these tags within my documents, and then so each one can be a little bit different. Some documents will have 2 images, some of them will have 5, and it just kind of depends. And they'll all be different, right? And then I put an output file. Okay, so let's go ahead and run it. So run. There we go. So now it has created a huge image tag that we can use to spin with. So, so the 50% chance means it's just going to put a space in there, or it's going to create a image with one of these images in here. And so you can put that within your documents, and it's going to randomly spin and just create all kinds of different things for you. So anyway, hope this helps out. Let me know if you have any questions on how it works. All right, thanks.